Hello SJCAM, this is audio test of SJ8 Pro, and I will record this audio clip, in fact video clip, from both my mobile phone and SJ8 Pro to show you how this inbuilt speaker of SJ8 Pro performs. And now I am going to play that recorded audio clip. I was recording this this audio from 1 feet distance. Hello SJCAM, this is audio test of SJ8 Pro, and I will record this audio clip, in fact video clip, from both my mobile phone and SJ8 Pro to show you how this inbuilt speaker of SJ8 Pro performs. And now I am going to play that recorded audio clip.